Alright fit people, welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remmy. Today's workout is going to be biceps and back. We are going to be using a heat timer of 40 seconds activity and then we rest 20 seconds, 11 rounds. Alright, my name is Remmy. I'm a certified personal trainer dedicated to bringing you fun and challenging workouts you can do from the comfort of your home. And if you're new on this channel, consider subscribing, and if you do enjoy this workout, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get right into our workout. For this workout we are going to need the bottles. Let's get right into our workout. Alright, let's start with the deadlift. These bottles are 1.5 liter. Alright, next one we do deadlift. It's clean and press. So we start from here, we come and then overhead press. Alright, let's go. Beautiful. Next one, we bend forward and then we're doing bent over rows. One time like this, and then when we go down, we rotate the arms, palms face forward, then we do again. Let's go. Make sure your back is straight. So to maintain a straight back, you push your chest forward. Beautiful. Next one, we're standing upright and then we're just pulling up. The wrists are always lower than the elbow joint, so like this. And when you're coming up, you retract your shoulders, you elevate, and you also push your shoulders backward. Beautiful. Now we bend forward and then arms are straight. They always cross forward. The first time we cross, left forward. Second time, right forward. Let's go. So this will work the rear delts and also the traps. Again, don't forget to retract your shoulders. Beautiful. Next one, we're standing upright, and then we're doing bicep curls, 40 seconds. All right, let's go. So elbow stay close to the trunk. I'm just flexing the elbows. Next one, arms stay here, then we are rotating the bottles. So external rotation as much as you can. The elbows are 90-degree bend, and then internal rotation as much as you can. Let's go. Now we are working the forearms. Beautiful. Next one, we are going to hammer curls. So we start here, palms are facing the thighs, or the thumb is facing forward, and then here the thumb is facing backward. Elbow should stay close to the trunk, close to the rib cage. Control the upward movement, the concentric contraction and the eccentric contraction going down. Avoid swinging, just control. All right. Now we do up. When we are coming up, we're doing internal rotation. So we are starting from this and then we finish here. So it's a bit a combination of the two, and going down we are also putting the arms in the anatomical position. Neutral position. If you do reach the end of this workout, leave a comment and tell me how the arms and the back are feeling. We're going again to the deadlift, which is good for the lower back. So you see the back is straight, you always push the chest forward, and then when you feel like you can't flex the hip, you stop there. Next one, we bend forward, and then we finish with bent over rows. All right. Let's go. Retract the shoulders. Retraction of the shoulders activates the traps. Okay, let's rotate the palms forward. Continue with the bent over row, but with external rotation of the arms.
Sound right, boy.
Alright guys, thank you for choosing to spend your time with me. At the end, let's do a power pose and then do like this. Every workout is a progress into a healthy lifestyle. Yes guys, bye bye.